This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Jerry Gilbert. Country living at its finest. 4-bedroom home with 3 full baths with open floor plan including large family room with fireplace. 2 master suites. Large attached garage. Covered patio for those cool fall nights to sit and enjoy the acreage. Large covered front porch. Landscaped. L-shaped swimming pool with diving board. Workshop and barn for the horses or mancave. Conveniently located for all Calera activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Gilbert at 903-814-2723.